Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload. Enjoy the video. Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be filming a video and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieve this look here. So this is just a jumbo braid out. I don't know what I'm going to title this video or how I'm going to call it, but basically it's just really simple. It's for simple braids. I'm going to be just breaking down really quickly how I achieve this look. I do this especially right before wash day when my hair starts to get a little bit tangled and I need like a refresh, but it's not time for wash day yet, but I want to kind of make it a little bit neater, do a little bit of detangling, and just make it look more alive, make my hair look better. So yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve this look, it's really easy, really simple. All you need is 3 products. So yeah, I guess that's it. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're starting off with super dry and tangled hair. This is what my hair looks like before, and as you can see, it is just a hot mess, so we're gonna fix this. Alright, let's go. So first I'm just taking some shea butter just to detangle my hair a little bit and make it more manageable for me to break it up into parts. I'm also giving myself a little scalp massage while I'm at it. I'm beginning this section off my hair. For this tutorial, I'm going to be doing 4 simple big braids. Now the part we all love, detangling natural hair. So this is what I'm doing here. I just sped it up a little bit. I'm going to do an in-depth video of how I actually detangle my hair because literally it's an entire process on its own. I don't know why I make such really weird faces when I'm detangling and doing my hair. I literally have no idea. Like, I look so upset and so mad. I promise I'm not. Actually, maybe I am because this literally takes forever. Now I'm going to spray my hair with some water. This just helps to hydrate the hair and to moisturize and of course make it more manageable so that we can begin our braiding process. Okay, so I have this really weird method that works amazing. So basically, I find that when I twist my hair like this, like not in a traditional 2-strand twist, but just literally twist it around and around, that it actually helps to penetrate more. Let me know if you guys do this as well. It literally is amazing. Then you want to take any moisturizer with a water base. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner. I recently just started using Shea Moisture again because my hair loves the product, but I don't really like this brand and kind of what they stand for anymore. So yeah, I'm just using that because it works, but literally any moisturizer that you want you can use. Just make sure it has water in it. Then after I apply the cream, then I apply again my shea butter mix on top of that just to seal it up. This also has a little bit of water in it, but it's mostly oil based, so it's going to act as a sealant today. Then I start to break my hair into 3 sections for that one section, and I begin the braiding process. And guys, after you finish braiding, that's literally it. Instead of braiding all the way to the end, I do braid all the way to the end, but when I get to the very, very end, I actually begin to twist it. But I'm not going to show you that footage or show you the other braids that I'm doing, so I don't want to bore you, and it's just a really simple process. Again, you just want to lightly finger detangle with the oil base, and then you want to apply your water, and then you want to apply your water-based cream or leave-in conditioner, and then you want to add the sealant on top and then braid your hair. It's literally that simple. And then I usually keep this in for overnight or a day. I do not go over a day because it defeats the purpose, because this is just right before wash day. And yeah, that is it. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you liked the tutorial on how I got these curls from the braid out. I love the result of this. I always do this right before wash day because it's super simple, it's super easy, it's relatively quick to do. It only takes about an hour versus like a whole wash day routine, which is like 4 to 6 hours. So I really love this. Alright, so yeah, as the day progresses, of course it will shrink up because that's just natural hair. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Alrighty guys, so I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this tutorial, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye!